Good morning! I wish I could wake up in front of this every single day. Today is gonna be an awesome day. You know why? On that mountain, over there somewhere, is a little place people call McAfee Knob. It is probably the most picturesque place on the entire Appalachian Trail. Everyone takes their picture at McAfee Knob. 15 miles to Four Pines Hostel. We're probably gonna stay there till today and tomorrow and the next day, because after the day after tomorrow is
my birthday.
Her birthday! Today, get over that ridgeline. Most importantly, guys, today's gonna be a beautiful day.
We have about 0.7 till McAfee Knob. Just taking a break. Today's been good so far, but I just been feeling lazy and just so relaxed here.
So we got interviewed yesterday. The people who were in the shot with the dogs and the sunset behind them and the guy behind them with the camera, they work for Backpacker magazine, and they're interviewing people along the way as they do their videos. He interviewed us for our Darn Tough Socks. It was a quick, like, maybe a minute, but we might be in their video. So July 9th is the first episode. I'm pretty sure it's not the episode we're in, but it's gonna be on Backpacker Magazine's YouTube. So if you guys wanna see us looking really weird on some other camera and being really shy in an interview, go ahead, be my guest. It's all yours to enjoy. Cowabunga shelter. There you go. Just taking a quick break. We just left McAfee Knob, and we basically had the whole place to ourselves. There were a few people there. Great spot to have lunch. Take a 5-minute break here, sign the logbook, maybe take a poop, and get back to it. Like usual. You guys know the deal already. Come on. We found a creek! It's been so hot and so sweaty. Oh boy! Look at this, I get to play in a creek. Am I farting right now? The world will never know. Well, it's raining on the last mile, just like usual for our trip. So We're gonna go hightail it to Four Pines, and we'll see you when we get there.